Hello boys and girls. Welcome to Storytime with Auntie Stacy. I'm Auntie Stacy. I'm so glad you came to read with me. The story I'm going to read for you today is called Baby Babble. Which shoes? You choose. Please, please, more peas. Num, num, yum, yum. All gone, full tum. Hurt, hurt, teeth hurt. Nice, nice, ice cream is nice. Peekaboo, who's there? Teddy bear. Where's Teddy? Baby sad. There's Teddy, baby glad. Splish splash, time to wash. Night night, sleep tight. This is the end of the story. What was your favorite part of the story? If you enjoyed the story, ask a grown-up to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with all of your cousins and friends. See you next time.